This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your activity status on the Facebook app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Facebook app. To enable or disable your activity status on Facebook, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, the little gear wheel, you want to tap on the little gear wheel. That will open up settings. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the audience and visibility section. And in the audience visibility section, the very bottom, activity status. You want to tap on that. And this little toggle here, it says show when you're active. If that's toggled on, you're showing that you're active. If it's toggled off, a little dialog box will pop up, says turn off activity status. I'm going to tap on turn off. Now the activity status is disabled. That is how to enable or disable your activity status on the Facebook app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.